Hey guys and girls, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we're going to be doing an install of my front runner twin jerry can holder. Now I've had this jerry can holder for a number of years now, and it's been on and off the FJ a number of times. Now the roof rack system I got on there isn't a front runner roof rack system, it's a generic roof rack that I got off eBay when I bought the car a number of years ago, and that's that. Front runner do run a specific roof rack system, so you can just bolt it on and all these systems, you know, all interlock and all the rest of it and what have you. Now, you may notice that jerry cans are two different colours. I know. Well, you know what? I bought it 2 different times. What do you do? So, I'm the only one that needs to know what's in these jerry cans, and it's going to be petrol. So, it's my car. I can paint my jerry cans whatever colour I like, and I choose green and red. Why? Well, that's the colours I came in. So we're going to pop this up on the roof rack there, install it properly, correctly, and I know the way I've been going to install it will last a distance because it's been installed on the FJ, as I said, a number of times, and at least 2 of those times was across the Simpson Desert with full jerry cans, so I know it will take the corrugations. Guess where I'm going as well? Again to the Simpson, and you get to follow it on YouTube. All right, so let's get this stuck in. We'll get this installed on the top, and let's get stuck in. All right, we're up here. Let's have a look at this roof rack, eh? Okay, now it's aluminium frame and aluminium wire stuff there, whatever you want to call it, I don't know, it's wire stuff. And that's the jerry can holder there, that's the base. Now, obviously, there's nowhere to mount it because there's no little mounting brackets here. So what I've done previously, and doing it again, is I have this here. And it's just a metal plate, and that will go on the underside of this stuff here, whatever you want to call it, wire stuff, I don't know. Looks like a screen door to me. Let's say screen door stuff. Goes underneath, bolts come up through that way, into there, and it sandwiches it shut. Now, the reason I know this works is because it's been up here 2 times before across the Simpsons, so this is its 3rd trip, so I'm going to bolt this thing up. And I just remembered what a pain in the backside this job's going to be, so rather than you hear me swearing and cursing trying to bolt it up, I think I'll just fast forward it and I'll bolt it up, and you can see the end results and go, wow, that was really easy. So I've got my bolts here, 4 of them, nylock or nylock nuts. I can't think, you know, there's some nylon locking thread stuff there. I can't think of the name of it. I think it's nylock. I don't know. Work it out. So bolts, and we have 2 washers for each bolt, for the top and the underside. So that'll go there and to the top side. So stress, you know, force it across. Normally, I get those rounded head bolts, and I couldn't get them, so I had to get these hex ones, which is a bit of a bugger, but I've got a solution for that, which I'll show you how I'll cushion the blow, so to speak, to the jerry cans. All right, so let's get this thing started. I won't bore you to tears because I just remember what a bugger of a job this is. All right, so I'll do some work and we'll come back to when it's nearly completed. Right, I'm going to get stuck in. Okay, that's all bolted up, ready to go. Got my big washers in there and all the rest of it. Now, front runner don't give you any carpet or rubber to put down here, so what I did and done from day one is I've got a small piece of marine carpet, and I've sort of cut it almost to size, a little bit of an overlap at either end, so that way when you put the jerry cans in there, you've got a bit of cushioning between the jerry can and the base of it, because that's where all the vibrations are going to come on. So let's put those jerry cans on and fit it up, and she's all ready to go. Yeah, I know it's not exactly centering the roof rack, but it is what it is. And I'll just show you how it looks up top there. There's no fuel in these cans yet, so we'll fuel up later on. That's it. Alright, we'll just jump in the ladder and I'll show you how these catches work. These catches they got here, these are really good catches, by the way. You know, you can lock it up if you need to, like little padlocks through there. I just put some cable ties through there when I'm whipping down the track, so that way it doesn't come undone completely, and it just pops open like this, and you're right to go and lifts off. The catch obviously goes over the top of the spout up the top here, and it's rock solid, mate. These are really good jerry can holders. And that is that. Don't forget, guys, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.